The Humminbird XM9 HW MSI T transducer offers unparalleled imaging capabilities with its Megaside Imaging Plus and Mega Down Imaging Plus technology, ensuring you see every detail beneath the water's surface. This device is specially designed to deliver accurate readings even at high speeds, thanks to its innovative transom performance that minimizes turbulence. Equipped with Dual Spectrum CHIRP sonar, it provides precise fish and structure separation across various water depths, making it a versatile tool for any angler. The rugged, marine-grade housing of the XM9 HW MSI T ensures durability and includes a built-in temperature sensor for added functionality. Its plug-and-play compatibility with a range of HELIX, SOLIX, XPLORE, or Apex units makes installation straightforward and hassle-free. Humminbird has crafted this transducer to meet the needs of both recreational and professional fishermen, offering advanced features that enhance the fishing experience.